ACCUPLACER Health Professions Entrance Exam. Question 1. A study plan assigns 22 review questions per day for 7 days, but 11 are skipped. How many questions are completed? Option A, 154. Option B, 18. Option C, 143. Option D, 396. The correct answer is option C, 143. The completed total is found by multiplying the daily amount by the number of days and subtracting the skipped questions, so the result is 143. The incorrect choices ignore the skipped questions, add unlike quantities, or multiply by the wrong total. Question 2. A skill checklist has 3/4 of the tasks finished, and 4/5 of those tasks require math review. What fraction of the full checklist needs math review for review set 15? Option A, 31/20. Option B, 1/20. Option C, 4/3. Option D, 3/5. The correct answer is option D, 3/5. Finding a fraction of a fraction requires multiplication, so 3/4 times 4/5 equals 3/5. The wrong options add, subtract, or combine denominators in ways that do not represent a part of a part. Question 3. Divide 26.4 hours of review equally across 5 sessions. How many hours should each session contain? Option A, 5.28. Option B, 31.4. Option C, 132. Option D, 4.4. The correct answer is option A, 5.28. Equal sharing requires division of the total hours by the number of sessions, giving 5.28 hours. The distractors add, multiply, divide by the wrong number, or inflate the quotient. Question 4. Convert 75% to a decimal for use in a quantitative reasoning calculation. Option A, 75. Option B, 0.75. Option C, 7.5. Option D, 0.07. The correct answer is option B, 0.75. A percent is divided by 100 to convert it to decimal form, so 75% becomes 0.75. The incorrect choices either leave the percent unchanged, move the decimal one place, or express a different ratio. Question 5. A lab setup uses a ratio of 4 mannequins to 7 students. If the mannequin count is multiplied by 6, how many students match the same ratio? Option A, 24. Option B, 17. Option C, 42. Option D, 13. The correct answer is option C, 42. Equivalent ratios multiply both parts by the same factor, so the student count is 7 times 6 equals 42. The other choices scale the wrong part, add the ratio numbers, or fail to keep the ratio proportional. Question 6. Using 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters, convert 8 inches to centimeters. Option A, 10.54. Option B, 3.15. Option C, 203.2. Option D, 20.32. The correct answer is option D, 20.32. The conversion from inches to centimeters multiplies by 2.54, so 8 inches equals 20.32 centimeters. The distractors add the factor, divide by it, or shift the decimal place. Question 7. Simplify 5x plus 4x when x equals 3 in a combined like terms problem. Option A, 27. Option B, 12. Option C, 19. Option D, 28. The correct answer is option A, 27. Like terms are combined first to make 9x, then x equals 3 gives 27. The distractors add the variable as a separate number, multiply coefficients incorrectly, or forget one part of the expression. Question 8. A study station uses 17 math cards and 14 reading cards per table. How many cards are needed for 4 tables? Option A, 35. Option B, 124. Option C, 952. Option D, 82. The correct answer is option B, 124. The cards per table are added first and then multiplied by the number of tables, producing 124. The incorrect answers add the table count, multiply the two card categories together, or scale only one category. Question 9. A chart lists 4 weekly question counts 12, 16, 20, and 24. What is the total count? Option A, 18. Option B, 12. Option C, 72. Option D, 76. The correct answer is option C, 72. The total is found by adding all 4 counts, producing 72. The incorrect answers calculate the average, range, median, or add an extra interval. Question 10. A question bank has 26 items, and 7 are flagged as difficult. What is the probability of randomly choosing an unflagged item? Option A, 7/26. Option B, 26/7. Option C, 19/7. Option D, 19/26. The correct answer is option D, 19/26. Unflagged items are found by subtracting flagged items from the total, then dividing by the total, so the probability is 19/26. The other answers use the flagged probability, invert the relationship, or use the wrong denominator. Question 11. A table includes points 0, 5, and 4, 5. What is the slope of this horizontal relationship? Option A, 0. Option B, 5. Option C, 4. Option D, 1.25. The correct answer is option A, 0. A horizontal line has no change in y, so the slope is 0. The other values use coordinates as if they were slope or assume a downward trend that is not shown. Question 12. Calculate the perimeter of a rectangular simulation mat with length 14 feet and width 7 feet. Option A, 98. Option B, 42. Option C, 21. Option D, 35. The correct answer is option B, 42. Perimeter adds all sides, so 14 plus 7 equals 42 feet. The distractors calculate area, add only 2 sides, double only one dimension, or add an extra amount. Question 13. Select the best central idea of this statement. Clinical students often improve faster when they connect math skills to realistic patient care situations. For review set 15. Option A, testing should be avoided whenever possible. Option B, only memorization matters in health programs. Option C, applied practice can make academic skills more useful for health programs. Option D, long study sessions always produce the best results. The correct answer is option C. Applied practice can make academic skills more useful for health programs. The central idea should summarize the whole statement without adding a new claim or narrowing the focus too much. The other choices either contradict the statement, exaggerate one detail, or introduce an idea that the sentence does not support. Question 14. Infer the most reasonable conclusion from this note. The advisor recommended a math refresher before the applicant retested. For review set 15. Option A. The note proves the student has already mastered every topic. Option B. The note rejects the value of organized review. Option C. The note focuses only on memorizing answer letters. Option D. The applicant likely needs stronger math readiness before placement. The correct answer is option D. The applicant likely needs stronger math readiness before placement. A reasonable inference must follow from the information given without stretching beyond it. The incorrect options are too absolute, contradict the note, or claim details that are not stated. Question 15. In an academic sentence about health program readiness, what does the word subsequent most nearly mean for review set 15? Option A, coming after something else. Option B, happening before all events. Option C, equal in size. Option D, unrelated to sequence. The correct answer is option A, coming after something else. The word subsequent is used in academic contexts to mean coming after something else. The other choices describe unrelated actions, opposite meanings, or features of writing that do not match the term. Question 16. Why would a writer likely defines a technical term before using it in a paragraph for review set 15? Option A, to distract readers from the main claim. Option B, to make the later explanation easier to understand. Option C, to remove the need for supporting evidence. Option D, to make the paragraph less organized. The correct answer is option B, to make the later explanation easier to understand. A rhetorical choice should help the writer develop meaning, guide the reader, or support a claim. The incorrect options describe weak writing moves that would reduce clarity or relevance. Question 17. Combine these two ideas most accurately. Math placement often affects course sequencing, and health programs may require strong quantitative readiness for review set 15. Option A. Only the first idea matters for test preparation. Option B. The two ideas contradict each other completely. Option C. Quantitative readiness can influence a student's health program pathway. Option D. Neither idea can be used in academic preparation. The correct answer is option C. Quantitative readiness can influence a student's health program pathway. A synthesis should preserve both ideas and show the relationship between them. The incorrect choices ignore one idea, invent a contradiction, or draw an unsupported extreme conclusion. Question 18. Choose the sentence with correct subject-verb agreement for review set 15. Option A. Neither the advisor nor the students is available afternoon. Option B. Neither the advisor nor the students be available afternoon. Option C. Neither the advisor nor the students was available afternoon. Option D. Neither the advisor nor the students are available afternoon. The correct answer is option D. Neither the advisor nor the students are available afternoon. The verb must agree with the true subject, not with a nearby prepositional phrase or distracting noun. The incorrect choices use a verb form that does not match the subject or create an incomplete sentence. Question 19. Select the sentence with the clearest punctuation for review set 15. Option A. The applicant reviewed fractions, decimals, and percentages before the exam. Option B. The applicant reviewed fractions, decimals, and percentages before the exam. Option C. The applicant reviewed fractions, decimals, and percentages before the exam. Option D. The applicant reviewed fractions, decimals, and percentages before the exam. The correct answer is option A. The applicant reviewed fractions, decimals, and percentages before the exam. Correct punctuation shows how ideas are connected and prevents sentence confusion. The incorrect choices omit needed commas, misuse punctuation between clauses, or place punctuation where it interrupts the sentence. Question 20. Pick the sentence that uses standard English correctly for review set 15. Option A. Less errors appeared after the learner reviewed the explanations. Option B. Fewer errors appeared after the learner reviewed the explanations. Option C. Fewer error appeared after the learner reviewed the explanations. Option D. Less error appeared after the learner reviewed the explanations. The correct answer is option B. Fewer errors appeared after the learner reviewed the explanations. Standard usage requires correct pronoun case, verb form, and count word agreement. The incorrect choices use non-standard pronouns, mismatched verbs, or less/fewer incorrectly. Question 21. Choose the best transition for the blank. The paragraph explains the scoring range first. Blank. It describes how students can use score bands for planning. For review set 15, option A. Nevertheless. Option B. In contrast. Option C. Next. Option D. Despite this. The correct answer is option C. Next. The transition must match the logical relationship between the ideas, such as contrast, sequence, or cause and effect. The other choices signal relationships that do not fit the sentence. Question 22. Choose the most concise revision of this sentence. The instructor made a recommendation that students should review the explanations for review set 15. Option A. The instructor made a recommendation review of explanations. Option B. Students were recommended by the instructor in a reviewing way. Option C. The explanations, by recommendation, were reviewed by students. Option D. The instructor recommended that students review the explanations. The correct answer is option D. The instructor recommended that students review the explanations. A concise revision removes unnecessary words while preserving the original meaning. The incorrect choices are awkward, wordy, grammatically flawed, or less clear than the original. Question 23. Using common medical word parts, what does neuralgia most likely mean for review set 15? Option A, nerve pain. Option B, bone growth. Option C, muscle weakness. Option D, blood clotting. The correct answer is option A, nerve pain. The word parts in neuralgia point to nerve pain. The other choices use different roots, prefixes, or suffix meanings and do not match the term. Question 24. Select the structure that carries impulses away from a neuron's cell body for review set 15. Option A, alveolus. Option B, axon. Option C, tendon. Option D, capillary. The correct answer is option B, axon. An axon carries nerve impulses away from the neuron cell body. Alveoli are air sacs, tendons connect muscle to bone, and capillaries are tiny blood vessels. Question 25. A table uses milliliters, grams, and centimeters. What shared measurement system is being emphasized for review set 15? Option A, customary system. Option B, Roman numerals. Option C, metric system. Option D, coordinate system. The correct answer is option C, metric system. Milliliters, grams, and centimeters are metric units commonly used in science and health settings. The other systems use different units or represent numbers and graph locations rather than metric measurement.